welcome to our apartment in Aruba that we are renting for a week. So come in. So right when you come in, you have the door right here. Okay, that's the door. And then over here we have a kitchen area. Kitchen area right over here. We have a sink right here. And we have like a little bucket right here to put like little stuff in. And we have a coffee pot right here. I think you can boil some water right here. And a toaster. Then we have some knives right here. Salt and pepper, which that's kind of convenient anyway. And we have a some napkins. Some napkins, that's really cute. Napkins right here. Some tea, some sugar, coffee, and the Wi-Fi password and stuff like that. Over here we have a little washing thing for like dishes and stuff. And then we have some game right here. So over here we have a gas stove, okay, that has to be ignited, so that's a really cute stove, and I love this backdrop. It's like marble, I didn't even notice that. Up here we have a microwave and a full-size refrigerator, which is just some ice in there now, which we need to replace that ice with some more. And look like there's some water in here. Look like some little water is in here too as well. And I don't know what these are, but never seen it before. This is the living room right here. Right here we have some beach chairs right here. We have a cooler right here. I love this window right here, which is really, really cute. We have the TV right here. TV stand. We have a little table right here. And like two little like fish shells right there. Really cute. We have a couch right here with a little pillow that says love, which is really, really cute. I really love this. And it's actually pretty comfortable. And back here we have a little dining table that says beach house, because that's exactly what it is. With a little light right there, and a little table right here, and some drinks that we ended up getting from the liquor store. And we have a little thing right here that says going fishing. So last but not least, we have the bedroom. Bedroom right here. So this is so cute. You guys know that I love white so much. So this is the bed, and we have two little side tables right here with two cute little lamps, which I love. This is the air conditioner. This is like a little sign that says the beach house, which is really, really cute. And then right here we have a little thing for our clothes and stuff right there, which has just like little space in it. Little space and stuff like that for clothes and stuff like that. And then in here we have the bathroom, which I love, which is really, really cute. This is the bathroom. I love the gray backsplash. And here is the shower. It's actually a clear door. It's cute. I thought it was clear right there too, but this is the towel rack. This is the mirror, and here is a little mirror right here. Okay, so this is the overview of the room. As I said, these little shade things are really, really cute. Oh, that's cute. Look, they just brought in all that light. Really cute, you guys. Really cute. I told you it was cute. Another overview. This is the kitchen. Front door, mirror. Love the ceiling so much. This is the living room area. Right there. So yeah, that concludes our apartment tour in Aruba while we're here for this week on vacation. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. So now we're just going to kind of explore a little bit. I'm trying to debate if I want to change clothes or not. I mean, it act like it want to rain outside, but I kind of still want to change for real. But I don't want to waste a lot of time because I'm sure it'll be dark soon. But the night is young, so that doesn't matter. So again, I'll see you guys later, and I don't know what we're going to do, but I'll see.